Hey, this is Harold from Giant Loop, and we're taking another pass here at the new KTM 390 Adventure that our friend Kathy has dropped off for us to check out. So this is kind of the other end of the spectrum. Before I had the Great Basin on there, I really kind of had it packed for, probably multiple weeks of travel if you so wanted. This would be more the day riding setup. So buck and roll fits on here great, super tight and tidy, easy access to the fuel. You just push everything out of the way, open your fuel. Got the ZigZag Handlebar Bag on here. This is the limited edition orange colorway that we did for RevZilla, an exclusive from them. For those cold, wet, rainy, muddy days, the Bushwacker hand guards just strap right over top of the stock rigid deflectors. This is one of the new designs that we just came out with for this year with the tree graphics. They also now feature our new version of our pronghorn straps. And then back here I've put the Mojave Saddle Bag on, which is really designed for a day of riding. Straps right on, no problem. These pasture handles are kind of massive. Me personally, I might think about getting rid of them. I think you could unbolt them and then essentially just bolt a grab handle in its place. Maybe that's a little experiment we'll do later, but I'm not a big fan of these massive grab handles that the manufacturers seem to like to put on the bikes sometimes. But this is the new Possibles pouch strapped onto the top center position of the Mojave with our new graphics for 2020. And so that's kind of the day of riding version of the KTM 390 Adventure. Mojave Saddlebag, Possibles pouch, buck and roll, zigzag. Could easily to this add, like the Possibles pouches to the stock engine guards. We've got the new first aid version of the Possibles pouch, so that would be a nice addition here. Go light, go fast, go far. That's the new KTM 390 Adventure.